In order to copy and paste text on a Mac, there are 2 or 3 different ways to do so. You can obviously select the text by clicking your mouse and holding it and dragging it, or you can just double click on a line of text to select all of it. Or if you want to select all of the text on a document, you go and select Command A on your keyboard. So Command A, and that will select all of the text. In order to copy this text, you want to hit Command C on your keyboard. That will copy the text. And if you want to paste that text, you go ahead and go to Command V on your keyboard. If you want to cut text, you just select that text and go to Command X, and the same thing works for paste. It's just Command V. So just to recap, it's Command A on your keyboard to select all. It is Command C on your keyboard to copy, and Command X to cut. And then if you want to paste it, you just go Command V just like that, and you are good to go. Obviously, another way of doing this would be selecting the text, going to the software you're using, go to Edit, and go to Copy, just like so. The beauty of it is that it works across apps. So if we copy text in a Google document, go over to an Apple Note, go to Command V, and it will paste the same exact text. That's it. That's how you copy, paste text on a Mac. If you have any questions, I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.